Where are we going to?
Dubai Museum. Also in the historical.
That's exciting.
Slightly.
It is exciting. Everything in here is exciting. This is a great. What's wrong with you? Ew.
Interesting soup.
So they have mobile stores, Arab clothing, Indian clothing. They have restaurants. They're almost like the same. They also have normal outfits like this. Where's Jimmy?
No, thank you.
Where are we going now, sir? Let's go to the museum. Oh, they also have a tailoring shop here. And some gifts, gift shop. And a photo studio. What? How much? Oh, 5 dirhams per hour. That's great. It's a nice building. And there's a gym on the rooftop. Oh, this is a nice clothing store. This is better than Kanye West, the RIP collection. Cool. It's a nice. Hello, Vogue. Tell me, where is the metro station here? Hello? Hello, are you okay? Still breathing? in Al Fahidi. He's going to get me my ring. Yay! See? I can't see it yet, so he'll give me on the right time. Probably tonight. When is the right time?
I have no idea.
How come you don't know? I thought you're sure about me. You said sure.
Sure.
Sure. Let's all pray. Thank you, sir, for the discount. What's the name of the store again? Yeah, you can find them next to Souk Al Fahidi. I got myself a new ring. Yay! So now we're going into Al Fahidi, Souk Al Fahidi, to get some stuff and see what they have. I hope they have makeup, nice clothing, and food. Let's go. He's walking so fast. There you are.
Oh, hey. Yeah, I just found this museum. It's called the Dubai Museum.
It's a great place and it's free.
I think so.
That's the great thing about Dubai. Most of
Free-
the
one free
attractions
museum.
are free. There's a lot of people inside. The museum costs 3 dirhams, and for above 6 years old, and 1 dirham for below
Babies.
6.
For babies.
Below 6. I know what 6 is. It's nice. Check, it's already 7 p.m.
7 p.m. You're walking under dripping water. It's okay, you're already wet and dressed.
True. We need to poop somewhere in Al Fahidi.
No one needs to hear that.
I want to know what we were doing.
Poop in Tahiti?
Poop, we eat.
Yeah.
Now we're walking the streets of Al Fahidi, going to Al Fahidi metro station, and we'll go to Union to see our skater
Chinese
boyfriends.
friends.
Oh, Chinese and the skaters. Trashers.
So that was our trip through Al Fahidi, and Yeah, it's just really hot and sweaty. Wish I didn't wear jeans.
True.
People are starting to come out now. It wasn't so busy earlier. We're gonna find some food.
That's right.
And then hit the metro. Hope you enjoyed. Thank you.
Thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you in the next vlog. Bye.